Hey, Bait Technology is here, and I am Winnie BN to show you our new phone, which is currently on sale as of now. The phone I have here is the Samsung Eternity, the A867. Unlocked for AT&T, T-Mobile, and any other GSM provider. This is an AT&T phone, but using this T-Mobile SIM card, I'm going to show that it's unlocked to be used with multiple carriers. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to insert the SIM card. Okay, give me a second here. Alright. Get the battery in. And the case. Okay, now to power up the phone. Give it a few seconds for the load up to be completed. As you can see, the AT&T logo that's showing up, and if this wasn't an unlocked phone, it would not be able to register with this T-Mobile SIM card I just put inside. Alright, still doing its boot up. Okay, it's got a few messages on the SIM card, which is reading. And if you can see up top, there's a T-Mobile logo. Hopefully you can make that out, which has appeared, showing you that it is registered on the T-Mobile network. So there you have it, folks. This is the Samsung Eternity A867. We guarantee you cheapest prices in the world for your best quality cell phone and awesome customer service. Come and shop at your #1 cell phone store, baittechnology.com.